Hey guys, Mr. Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Sangoku Soketsuden Gundam Barbatos. Alright, here is the box itself. Now I think this is probably the most exciting one for me out of all the guns in the Shu area, maybe because well it's Barbatos really, so he's pretty cool. So and surprisingly he's based off Lupus Rex. I was expecting maybe the normal Lupus or maybe the first version of Barbatos. Yeah, I was expecting that, but no, it's the Lupus Rex that's based on. So it has a tech and so that's pretty interesting. But yeah, let's go unboxing. So yeah, it came to the store a little bit early today, so I got it back from the store and got this ready. So I'm gonna do unboxing right in front of you guys. So let's go unboxing. So yes, the box art, well, it's expected what you expect from SD, really. I mean, I expected speaking of Lupus Rex, I thought the Lupus Rex has really big arms, but no, in the form is a little bit smaller, like proportionate, I guess. On the side here, we have the details about Montel himself. It comes with horse memory, which I don't know. I can't remember if the Guan Yu and Zhang Fei came with those memory cards. I could be wrong. I don't know, but I'll have to check back and see. Well, yeah, basically this is stuff what we have right there, and then basically these I believe these things will go on to the Trinity bag, which I'll show you in an unboxing. But see how it goes. And basically that's this mace. It's called the Omagatsuchi. Yeah, that's how I pronounce that. It's basically the Lupus Rex mace, really. On the side, nothing much. It just tells you the advertisement about the series, and doesn't mention the price as usual. Again, I'm not too sure. I'll put a title on the screen so you can see how much this costs. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Here we go. Alright, keep it plate. Let's open the box. First bag we have the D plate, which is in a gunmetal. That's a color I haven't seen in a while. Yeah, so yeah, gunmetal. That's basically the frame piece of the head. If you know what Lupus Rex like, you know where that goes. Yeah, and basically there's no way to go. You got the feet, you got the hair, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, the hair. And you got the gold parts in this kit. Pretty neat. You got the clear red pieces. I'm again surprised that they actually gave clear red for this kit. I'm expecting maybe solid red, but no, it isn't clear red, so yeah, it's okay, it is. You got the F1 plate, which is in the clear yellow, mostly going for the weapons. And the B plate, you get the white parts. I can tell that's the tail. Like, yeah, it's the tail of the tail from the Lupus Rex. Now it's on the back skirt. Instead of the bleh. Start over. Instead of being on the backpack, it is on the back skirt, which is I mean it's okay. Really. And the last bag we have the black parts. I know those are supposed to be blue, so yeah. And it's the stickers, not a lot, which is pretty good. So it's nice to good. Nice to see. And a manual. Yep. So the manual, yep, it's the usual stuff really. You get the line art. You got a little blur about Montel himself, and inside you have that is pretty cool. The comic. I mean, they started to put comics on these manuals. It's pretty interesting. So yeah, just a little blurb about how that's interesting. Okay, let's move on. Yep. So then the assembly section, yeah, it's pretty basic, really. The usual stuff, really. Yep. So that's an unboxing of the SD Montel Gundam Barbatos. I will be getting. I'll build this guy right away. I mean, not today, but the next day after I do the unboxing, I'll build this guy right away, and I will get the review out of the way. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.